Welcome to THT Design, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home, from the grand exterior to the cozy interior. Our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Nestled amidst a serene forest, a two-story wooden house stands as a harmonious blend of natural beauty and modern comfort. The exterior of the house is clad in warm, honey-hued wood, creating a rustic yet inviting aesthetic. A gently sloping tiled roof adds a touch of traditional charm, while large windows allow ample natural light to flood the interior. A spacious wooden deck stretches across the front of the house, providing a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. The deck is adorned with comfortable seating and a small dining table, inviting relaxation and enjoyment of the surrounding scenery. Below the deck, a stone-paved yard creates a durable and stylish outdoor space. A round stone pond, nestled in the center of the yard, adds a touch of tranquility and serenity. The pond is home to a variety of aquatic plants, attracting colorful dragonflies and butterflies. A winding stone path leads around the pond, inviting exploration and contemplation. Behind the house, a dense forest stretches as far as the eye can see. The towering trees provide shade and privacy, while the rustling leaves and singing birds create a soothing soundtrack to the natural world. A wooden walkway winds through the forest, offering a glimpse into the diverse ecosystem that surrounds the house. The interior of the house is designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Natural materials such as wood, stone, and linen are used throughout, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The open-plan layout encourages social interaction and a sense of spaciousness. This two-story wooden house is more than just a dwelling. It is a sanctuary where one can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with nature. The thoughtful design, combined with the serene surroundings, creates a truly idyllic retreat. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.